Backtalk usually turns into a battle when the parent fights the tone before finding the problem. One sharp sentence from a child can make a calm adult suddenly argue like they are defending a courtroom case, but you can protect respect without becoming weak, cold, or controlled by the moment. First, you will learn how to notice the disrespect without letting it take over your response. Then you will get one calm boundary sentence that protects respect without starting a power struggle.
And you will see how to repair later, so your child learns a better way to speak without the boundary getting blurry.
Picture a parent asking a child to start homework. The child snaps, "You never listen to me." The parent hears disrespect and fires back, "Do not talk to me like that." Now the notebook is still closed, 10 minutes are gone, and the real issue has changed from homework to who wins the room.
Backtalk is often a messy signal: frustration, embarrassment, tiredness, hunger, fear of being controlled, or not knowing how to ask for help. That does not make the tone acceptable. It means the tone is only one part of what is happening.
Your first job is to remain in charge you are of yourself. A parent who can pause for 2 seconds has already changed the direction of the conversation. Boundary sentence that protects respect without starting a power life save.
If this is the kind of parenting tool you want ready in real life, save this video before the next heated moment. A calm sentence is much easier to use when you have already practiced it once in your head.
Start with the part you can understand. Try, "You are upset because you feel I am not listening." That sentence tells the child, "I heard the message," which can reduce the need to push harder just to be noticed.
Then add the boundary. "I will listen when your words are respectful." The order matters. Message first, tone second. If you start with the tone, the child hears rejection. If you keep the order, you lead without joining the fight. After the boundary, stop talking for a moment. Many battles grow because the parent keeps explaining, defending, warning, and correcting. Short is strong. Calm is strong. Repeating the same boundary once is usually better than turning it into a speech.
The best teaching moment is rarely inside the explosion. Later, when your child is calmer, you can say, "Earlier, you were upset. I want to understand it. But the way you said it made it harder for me to help."
Children do not only need to hear what not to say, they need a usable replacement. Try, say it like this: "I am frustrated because I feel you are not listening." Now backtalk becomes a skill lesson, not a character attack.
If a consequence is needed, keep it connected and calm. Not, "You ruined the evening," instead. We will continue this when you can speak respectfully. The consequence is access to the conversation, not the loss of love.
So remember the rule: hear the message, hold the tone, teach the replacement. Backtalk does not have to become a courtroom, a punishment spiral, or a strength contest. It can become the moment your child learns that strong feelings are allowed, but disrespect is not the language for them. Boundary sentence that protects respect. Child snaps back. Use this line: "I hear that you are upset, and I will listen when your words are respectful." Say less, say, "Stay steady," then teach the better sentence later. You are not losing authority when you refuse to battle. You are showing your child what authority looks like when it is calm enough to lead.